My dear gardeners, if you want your tomatoes this year to look like they came out of a catalog, then stay with me until the end, because what I am about to reveal to you has been used for years, but few people talk about it out loud. The tomato is not just a plant, it is the king of the garden. But the king needs the right food. How many times have you planted a tomato full of hope, watched it grow beautifully, and then the stem is thin, the leaves are pale, the flowers fall off, the fruits are small, and you wonder, where am I wrong? The problem is not in the sun. The problem is not in the water either. The problem is in the nutrition. The tomato is a plant that gives a lot, but it also demands a lot. If we don't give it what it needs at the right time, it simply doesn't have the strength to bear large, juicy, and sweet fruits. And do you know what is most important? The root. It all starts underground. If the root is strong, the plant will be strong. If the root is weak, there is no fertilizer that will help later. That's why the right fertilizer is one that strengthens the roots, encourages flowering, prevents flower drop, gives large, fleshy fruits, and makes tomatoes more resistant to disease. And now we come to the interesting part. There is a combination that nourishes the plant but also revives the soil. Because the soil is alive, it contains beneficial bacteria and microorganisms that work for us, but only if we feed them properly. When this mixture is added to tomatoes, something special happens. The leaves turn dark green, the stem thickens, the flowers are retained, and the fruits grow faster than usual. Many say that after the first application, they see a difference in 5 to 7 days. But it is important to know this fertilizer is not used every day. Tomatoes do not like excess. They like smart, moderate, and proper care. The best time to apply this top dressing is when the first flowers appear, or when the plant starts to form small fruits. That's when it needs extra strength. And now, as I promised, here's the recipe. The best homemade top food for tomatoes. You need 1 liter of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 10 liters of water. Mix everything well and water the tomatoes around the roots, not on the leaves. About half a liter of this mixture is enough for 1 plant. Apply once every 10 to 14 days. The milk nourishes the plant with calcium and makes it stronger. The soda helps balance the soil and reduces the occurrence of certain diseases, and the water carries all this to the roots. The result? Stronger roots, more flowers, bigger fruits, and tomatoes that will make your neighbors jealous. If you like this type of advice, write to me in the comments, what city are you watching me from, and do you already grow tomatoes? See you in the next tip, because there is always another little secret in the garden.